using Padlet. So first, use the plus icon here. Click it, and then you can write your subject. It could be the title of your favorite book. So for example, the dot. So if you want to upload, you can upload a document, attach the link, use the camera to take a picture of yourself with the book, or link an image here. So I'm going to create a link of the dot. And here I could actually choose either I go with web search or YouTube. So I'll try YouTube and put the dot review. And no, that's not the one. The dot by Reynolds, Peter Reynolds. And arrow right. And here's the dot. I will put Peter Reynolds here. Okay. And I can write something. Yeah, so explain why you like the dot. It encourages creativity and encourage to express yourself in whichever way you want. Read it and see where it takes you. And publish. There you go. That's the post. Now it's your turn.